Hey you guys, how's it going? Happy day 20. It is Saturday, and I wanted to make a quick video related to meal planning because, we haven't talked about it a lot since before we started, and I want to come in here all the time and do like quick live videos, but I got frustrated in the beginning because unfortunately in this app, number one, I can only record videos up to 3 minutes using the app capabilities, and the few times that I have made those videos, it wouldn't load. It was really frustrating. So anyway, I'm doing this using YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. And I just wanted to talk to you really quickly about what I am doing today. So we are finishing up week 3. I have been good with my food. This is definitely the best I've ever been. There are a couple of other programs that I've done where I've been really on point. I did one round of 21 Fix Extreme really, really well, food on point. I also did Shift Shop 3-week program really well, and also the Ultimate Reset. But other than that, like any other time I've done a round of a program, I've slipped here or cheated here, but I haven't done that with this program. And one of the things that I think I'm doing really well this time that I've never done great is continuing to replenish the food that I need to, and continually taking inventory of what food I need to go and get, and then getting it right. So one of the things that I'm learning to do through this program is to make sure I take time each week to take stock of what I need to get more of. It's usually fruits and vegetables, right? My proteins, I get a lot of my proteins from Costco, and then they're in the freezer. So I will still obviously take inventory of them, but a lot of them go into the freezer when I get them, and I buy a bunch. So I don't necessarily have to buy all my proteins for the week every week. But fruits and veggies, definitely, because so many of them are fresh. And then same thing with my carbs. I get like my quinoa at Costco, and I got a lot of my carbs bulk. So it's just a matter of looking at my pantry, seeing like where I am on my quinoa level, and if I need to get more, I will. But it's a huge bag, so it takes me a while to get through it. But one of the carbs that I have been getting consistently every week and making and actually eating are sweet potatoes. I will tell you that that's one of the vegetables that in the past have sat on my counter long enough that they start to grow their little like green shoots out of them. So embarrassing to say, but it's true. But I have been buying them and then baking them on Sundays, and then I've been eating them at breakfast with my eggs and my veggie and a little bit of chicken sausage that I get. So anyway, so I made a list of all the things that I need to get, and I'm going to go to 3 different places. I'm going to go to Costco for my cod. I showed you guys that steamed fish. I'm going to get more cod because that dish was delicious and so easy to make. And then a lot of veggies from there. And then I'm going to go to Stop and Shop, which is just down the street, for more veggies. And a couple of other like snacks for the kids that they need for the week. And then I'm going to go to a place closer to me that sells like zucchini, for example. I only get organic. So I'm going to go there because they have a really good price on their zucchini, and I'm going to get a couple of other things that I know they have there. So anyway, this process of building shopping lists, making shopping lists, go shopping, I guess what I'm trying to say is it gets easier as you do it. So just keep doing it each week. It's just, for me, I know that my default mode is to open up my fridge and almost like be surprised by the fact that I have no more vegetables in my refrigerator. So I have to really push against that sort of natural default mode of mine and say, all right, it's Friday. Yeah, I've run out of veggies. I've run out a lot of my fruit. So what do I need to get? I'm making a list. So it's just a matter of doing that each week, building that into our routine, and then doing it. So I know I feel like I'm getting better at it. I hope you guys are feeling it too. It's one of those things that I think, like anything else, it's a practice that we just need to keep doing, right? It's not something that, for me at least, comes naturally. So it's a habit that I just, over time, I feel like I'm getting better and better each week, but we have to be consistent with it in order for it to start feeling easier and easier. So, all right, just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day, getting your workout in. If it is on it should be on your calendar. And then tomorrow is a rest day. and I'm actually going to go treat myself for a little spa morning with a friend. All right. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.